Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free review of the website Siv Vo. So I'm on a homepage, and I think it looks very simplistic, very classic, suits your style, suits your branding, suits your style of clothes, which is fantastic. I noticed that you've got two different menus, one here, one here. So maybe it's worth getting rid of one, I suppose. You added this one. I think this is the standard that people really expect, and it's in the place that is familiar to online shoppers. And you can get rid of this one. If you want to utilize the space, you can obviously add different links, such as a link to your shipping policy or delivery policy or anything like that. But there's no point duplicating the menu here. The sliding images are great, but I noticed they change very quickly. So for your conversion rate, give your shoppers a little bit more time to familiarize themselves with each new item, with each new design. The recommended transition time is 7 seconds, so that definitely can help you improve your conversion rate. Shop this look. Okay, I understand that these are the items from the sliding banners. Okay. That's a nice section, although dress edit doesn't really tell me exactly what this dress is special. Perhaps changing title to something a little bit more transparent, easy to understand. It will be definitely, it will improve your user experience, because people will catch it within, within a second. They won't have to stop and think, what exactly did you mean by dress edit? Again, those reviews are great, but again, give more time, especially with few lines of text. Give more time for people to really familiarize themselves with the text, with each item. But the images are really good quality, which is fantastic. Another element that you can do to optimize it better is to link to a relevant product. For example, you can link to the handbag from this review, so people can actually shop it right away from here. I noticed that your Instagram feed is empty, so it would be great to add it here, because you've got follow us button, which is fantastic, but it's also it would be great to show your latest post as well. Social networks, add call to action to create urgency. So for example, instead of social networks, create such as follow us on social media, or follow us, or join us, something like that. But yeah, so far so good. I don't see really anything that is really major fault on your homepage. Obviously, I haven't reviewed your SEO. I haven't reviewed your collection or pages or product pages, because it's just a free review. But if you would like a full website critique to review any other elements of your website, including social media activity and search engine optimization, please request it through the link in your email. And thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.